Right, kids, welcome back. Looking at common scams on mobile devices, so you want to be aware of these scams. Also want to look for ways for you to be able to stay safe while utilizing them. So this article was made some time ago. We're reviewing this article from Binance Academy. So guys, feel free to subscribe. Click on the subscribe button if you find this helpful. It says 2017 was a remarkable year for the cryptocurrency industry as the rapid increase in valuation propelled them into mainstream media. Unsurprisingly, this has garnered them immense interest from both general public as well as cyber criminals. So relative anonymity offered by cryptocurrencies has made them a favorite amongst criminals who often use them to bypass traditional banking systems and avoid financial surveillance from regulators. So, given that people are spending more time on their smartphones than desktops, it is thus not surprising that cyber criminals have also turned their attention to them. Following discussion highlight how scammers have been targeting cryptocurrency users through mobile devices, along with a few steps that users can take to protect themselves. So there are lots of them. First of all, we have fake cryptocurrency exchange apps. So the most well-known example of a fake cryptocurrency exchange app is probably the one of ApolloX. Prior to the launch of the official mobile trading app in July 2018, Google Play was already listing several fake Poloniex exchange apps, which were intentionally designed to be functional. The many users that downloaded those fraudulent apps had their Poloniex login credentials compromised and their cryptocurrencies were stolen. So some apps even went a step further, requesting the login credentials of users' Gmail accounts. It is important to highlight that only accounts without 2FA were compromised. So the following steps can protect you against such scams. First of all, you need to check the exchange official website to verify if they indeed have a mobile trading app. And also, you want to read reviews and ratings. Fraudulent apps often have many bad reviews with people complaining about them, get it scanned, and more. So you want to check the app developer information, look for whether a legit company, email address, website are provided that is in line with the one on the official website. So you want to check the number of downloads and also the ratings. You want to also activate two-factor authentication on your account. Although not 100% secure, 2FA is much harder to bypass and can make a huge difference in protecting your funds. You also fit cryptocurrency wallet apps. Said there are different ones. One variation seeks to obtain personal information from users, such as their private keys and wallets. So you want to be aware of this. It says such fake wallets have been created for popular cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum and Neo. Unfortunately, many users lost their funds. So the precautions like in the exchange app segment above are equally applicable here. So those are some of the you need to know. Even if the app provides you a private key or seed, you should verify whether the public address can be derived and accessed from them. Then there's cryptojacking apps. So cryptojacking has been a lot favorite among cyber criminals due to the low barriers to entry and low overheads required. Furthermore, it offers them the potential for long-term recurring income, despite their lower processing power when compared to PCs, mobile devices, or increasingly becoming a target of cryptojacking. So apart from web browser, cryptojacking cybercriminals are also developing programs that appear to be legitimate gaming, utility, or educational apps. However, many of these apps are designed to secretly run crypto mining scripts in the background. Cryptojacking, these are the steps that can be taken to guide yourself against cryptojacking. One of them is that you only download apps from official stores such as Google Play. Pirated apps are not pre-scanned and are more likely to contain cryptojacking scripts. Monitor your phone for excessive battery draining and overheating. You want to check the background usage. You also want to keep your device and apps updated so that security vulnerabilities can be easily patched. You use a web browser that guards against these. You have a loads of them. Brave browser, plug miner block, NoCoin, and AdBlock. If possible, you want to install a mobile antivirus and scan your devices. There's a free giveaway and fake crypto miner apps that you also want to be aware of. There are loads of them. Then also we have Clipper apps. Such apps alter the cryptocurrency addresses you copy, replace them with those of the attacker. Thus, while the victim may copy the correct recipient address, the one they paste to process the transaction is replaced by those